beautiful souls. I am Neeti from School of Light Workers. Enlighten your life. Yes, you heard it right. Angel Power is now registered as a firm which is providing spiritually guidance to the people, and our motto is to help people to gain clarity in their life and to heal the various aspects of the life. So now we are School of Light Workers. Enlighten your life. So let's begin with the reading. The purpose of this video is that we have been asked many times, people ask us the question, what is my life purpose? If you feel stuck in your particular job situation, if you feel stuck in your life, if you feel stuck in a particular career and you're not sure that which life path you should take and why are you here on this planet, so this video will give you a clarity about this. Now what you have to do, you have to take a long deep breath and select a particular card towards which you are drawn to. Take long deep breath and select one particular angel that will help you and guide you about your soul contract which you have made while you have been incarnated on this planet Earth. Now let's start with the reading. If you select the first card, the first card urges you that you now need to do more research, a little more education is required to gain more clarity about your career. So if you feel drawn towards joining a particular course, or maybe you are drawn towards going to a particular place, or watching a particular movie, reading a particular book, believe me, that are the signs from the angels and Master Merlin. They are telling you that you need to educate yourself more a little. It is too early to ask about the life purpose. You need to educate yourself a little more about your life purpose, right? And then you can decide upon, you will be slowly guided toward that path. सो आपको अलग से नहीं सोचना है, आपने सिर्फ जो साइंस आपको यूनिवर्स दे रहा है उसको लेकर अवेयर रहना है. और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में आपका इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, सो दैट टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू टेकिंग अ लीड टुवर्ड्स योर लाइफ पर्पस. So that is the meaning of card number 1. Let's move on to the card number 2. If you select card number 2, so here the angels are telling you that your life purpose is fully supporting you. Now this is a very, very, very important card about the support from the universe. If you are thinking of the transition in the career and you are a little bit of in the dilemma whether it is going to affect your financial in a positive way or in a negative way, so believe me that angels are telling you that you are being fully supported. Your financial you are being fully supported and your finances are being fully secured and safe. So you do not have to worry about those finances, right? So आपको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आपके फाइनेंसेस अफेक्ट करेंगे या वो कम हो जाएंगे या आपके साथ कोई और इशू आ जाएगा. नहीं, आप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर बीइंग सपोर्टेड फाइनेंशियली एंड abundantly by the universe. आपको करना क्या है? What you have to do here, you need to talk to more and more people about your vision, about something which passionate you. Maybe आपका कोई childhood passion हो सकता है, and you need to listen to the people very carefully what they are giving, because उनकी जो भी advice होगी उसी से ही आपका life path का guidance निकलेगा. So that's about card number 2. Now if you select card number 3 here, then this is a very, very clear guidance. If you are being attracted towards card number 3, which is saying that you are a spiritual teacher, you are a natural born healer, you need to give your healing services to the others, you need to give the spiritual services to the other, and don't feel shy about it, because you will be you are going to earn all your fame, you are going to earn all money, everything will come when you will basically go and use this as your passion or as your career. So this will bring you a unique voice to the field of the spiritual teaching. So what you have to do, the people who have selected card number 3, उनको क्या करना है? उनको अपने guardian angel से ये पूछना है, what is the next step for me to take upon my pathway as a spiritual teacher? So when you are going to ask this question to your guardian angel, you need to just think and be aware about the thoughts, the feelings, or maybe some sort of signs that come to you as an answer, because they will be the answers from your angels, from the divine himself. So keep asking from the divine that how you are going to grow as a spiritual teacher, right? And how are you going to help the society? How are you going to provide your services to the people that will be in the highest and greatest good of both to you and to the society? So that's the reading for your life purpose. Hope you enjoy the reading and resonate with it. Do share this video with as many people as you want, because maybe your one click or your one share will help someone to decide upon their life purpose. Till then, angels' blessings to all. Merlin magic begins now.